Hello! I forgot to make a video about this season. I started without a video, so while I'm shooting this cardigans video, I like to say hi to you. And for this year, I'm gonna make a lot of tops, baby blankets, hats, of course, and different things. If you want something from me, please let me know. You can reach me on my Instagram address is Sirin Crochet, and I have an Etsy address for my patterns, and a website address also is all Sirin's Crochet. And you can simply leave comments. If you want to help me, please leave comments, please like my videos, and if you want, you can share them too. It helps me a lot more than you think. I'm so happy to be with you again. I miss you so much, and I know you miss me too. And if you are new in this channel, I recommend you to subscribe, because I'm gonna share a lot of beautiful things, and please look at my old videos too. I think you could find something fits to your taste. That's all. I really miss you so much. I like to tell you again and again. And my kids sending their loves, hugs, and mews to you. And I'm hugging you also. See you.